Dr. Wallach, what about arthritis?
Well, arthritis is my favorite disease because it's easy to fix. It's one of the great myths that the medical profession perpetuates, is that you can't build bone mass after the age of 50, 60, 70 years of age. You can only slow down the loss. And the reason why they say that is because they try to rebuild bone mass using plain calcium, whether it's Tums or calcium citrate or carbonate or gluconate or lactate, and your body will not retain much or any of the calcium you supplement with in your bones without first building new bone matrix. You have to have new bone matrix. This is this rubbery collagen material that looks like tendon or skin, and it makes up 25 to 40% of our bone weight, 40% when you're a child and 25% when you're an adult. And so it's absolutely essential if you want to deal with the wear and tear arthritis, osteoarthritis, degenerative arthritis, ankylosing spondylitis effectively. You have to take all 90 essential nutrients, and the best way to do that is with Dr. Wallach's pig arthritis formula. Remember, I'm a veterinarian as well as a physician, and we learned a long time ago, maybe 100 years ago, in veterinary medicine, that we could actually prevent and reverse, maybe even use the cure word in animals, arthritis, simply by giving the animal the raw material to develop properly and to maintain and repair the joints. And so using this information that we developed in animals, if you use the same concept for human beings, I have literally seen tens of thousands of people over the years who had bone-to-bone arthritis, they had osteoarthritis, they have degenerative arthritis, ankylosing spondylitis, which are basically a joint form of osteoporosis. It's osteoporosis, the joint ends of the bones, and they've tried all kinds of medication. And of course, if you take medication, if you take a painkiller, if you take an anti-inflammatory for arthritis, essentially all you're doing is cutting the wire to the red warning light. Pain in a joint says, don't use me until you fix me. And by taking a painkiller, by taking an anti-inflammatory, which will reduce pain, you're allowing that joint to be used even though it would have been painful without the drug. And so you're wearing that joint out faster and faster and faster. And to me, it's criminally negligent for someone to be prescribed a painkiller or an anti-inflammatory for joint disease without repairing the joint at the same time. And this is where the pig arthritis formula really shines, and it works just like a charm in human beings.